Huh?
Let me show you the game.
They want me to.
They want you to?
Yeah. Good block shot.
Go back away. Who is your dad from? What team?
Who's the Vipers?
No, what team is he playing?
Oh, the Bulldogs.
Where are they from?
Huh?
Where are they from?
I don't know. I don't know what ice arena they're from. This is the ice arena that the Vipers are from, though. Go, Ethan. Go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Pass it. Oh. Good David there.
This is fun.
Huh?
This is fun.
Oh.